to another video, guys. So I don't know if any of you remember me putting these on. These are the full cover soft gel tips from Gel Like EC Cosmetics, and I'll tell you something, these have been on for over 2 weeks. They're solid and they've been hammered. All the foils have come off. I've lost my gems. I've lost count of the amount of times I've had to buff this and re-top coat it, filing it off, doing sets of nails. They are solid. I'm really impressed with them. I really am. As far as I can see, I've got no lifting either. So yeah, I'm really impressed with them. But they need to come off. So I'm going to see how they soak off, because they are soft gel. They're supposed to be soak off. So what I'm going to do is, I've had this for months. Months. I've never used it. So why soak when you can steam? So it is a steam off, a steamer to steam off your nails. So this is from Amazon. Let's see what it comes with. So this is it, a nail steamer. That's what it looks like. I'm sure you have all seen them. They're all over AliExpress, Amazon. Right, so we'll look at that in a minute. Right, so this one obviously comes with a UK plug. Gosh, it's bigger than I thought. It's huge. Right, so this is it. So it's got your little on-off switch there. Is that all it's got? Just an on-off switch. Oh, and it's got some lights there. Right, so the H means it's heating up and the S means it's steam. Not sure what the W means, but when this changes from the heat to the steam is when you're ready to put your hands in. Right, so this is where your hands go in. Can you see? So let's open it. Oh, look. Right, so it's got a little two little measuring jugs. So that's what you put your acetone in. And then that's the little metal heating base. So you put your acetone in that. And then you put this on. Put your fingers in it and steam them off. And it comes with some of these spare, because I would imagine putting your fingers in and out of them when they're all gunked up, they're going to get mucky. So it comes with 4 spare ones then, which is quite cool. Right, so before we steam them off, obviously I'm going to cut a bit of the length down. See, this little tub is where I keep all my tools. I've got another tub that's full of tools, but this tub is tools that I use on my own hand to keep them separate. And it just has my nail clippers, cuticle pusher and scraper, a little brush, and it's got 2 sets of nail snippers. These ones are quite good. I've not used these ones yet because obviously I don't need 2 on the go, and these were really expensive, so I don't want to use them. So what I'm going to do first is, let's get a bit of this tissue down. So obviously there's no point in soaking off all this length. So let's get the length snipped off. I'm just gonna file off this top layer and obviously the glitter and the foil. Just gonna file them off, and then we'll get them soaked off and see. I just want to see if these Gel Like soft tips do what they say on the tin, soak off. So let's get these filed down a little bit. Right, so that's all that top surface filed off. I didn't want to file these off because they are just tips quite close to my natural nails. I didn't want to file them off, so that's why I am soaking them off. So let's get this filled up with acetone. Right, so I've got my acetone and it's got 5mm and it's got 60mm. I'm only doing one hand for now, so I'm just going to put, I don't know, because obviously I'm not putting my hands in the liquid. It's a steamer. You kind of hold your fingers like that and the steam takes them off, so I don't need it deep enough for my fingers to actually go in. So let's just try that, see how that works. I think there's about 20mm in there maybe. Should I do a bit more? Right, so let's get this lid back on. So I'm going to flick the switch to on, and then I can't show you the lights on the side, but it's on red on the letter H, which means it's heating up. So I'll come back when it says it's steam ready and we'll get my hands put in it. This is exciting. Right, so I'm going to need it for my left hand about that way around maybe. Yeah, so I'll come back when it's ready. Right, so it's just beeped and the letter S has gone to green, so that must mean get your hands in. So like I said, I'm going to hold it like that so the steam's hitting my nails rather than dipping them in the liquid. And it says to give it 10 minutes, so I'll be back in 10 minutes and let you know how we get on. Right guys, I've lifted you up a little higher. It's just done a bleepy thing and the light's gone off. Didn't feel like 10 minutes at all. But we're going to have a look. Do I just pull my fingers out? I do, don't I? Ooh. Right, let's see. So it looks like it's took, I don't know, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So my hands are not soaking because I didn't have them in the water. Acetone. Oh! Look at that. Now if you are doing this, don't scrape too hard. You don't want to scrape your natural nail off. Might look like I'm doing it hard, but I'm not. So I'm just going to get all these bits off that are soft. I think I'll need to put it back in for a little bit longer because I can still feel that there's a layer on there. But that was so easy, guys. That was so easy. Look at that. Wow, that was easy. I like that a lot. I might even get these last bits off with my hand file because that was easy. Yeah, can you see that is the gel tips? So yeah, I think I will put them back in actually for another 5 minutes. And I think that's all it's going to need. That was easy. So easy. Because I don't like filing down. A lot of the polygel I use is not soak off, so I have to file it off. And I don't like it. So if I can start finding more builder gels and hard gels that are hard gels are file off, aren't they? But I do prefer soak off. I don't like filing off. Not just because I'm lazy, but I'm scared of my e-file. But yeah, I think I'm just going to give these another little 5 minutes. But yeah, that's soaked off. Oh, it's still beeping. That's telling me it's ready to go again. Yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. Right, I'm going to get my hands put back in for another 5 minutes. See, I didn't have my thumb in it properly. I had my thumb kind of to the side. So I need to be aware of that and make sure my thumb's where the steam is. Right, I'm going to put these back in for another 5 minutes, but I'm well impressed with that so far. Right, so it's just beeped again, so let's have a look. Oh, I think that's done it this time, guys. Should I start with my thumb? I think that's done it this time. It's my thumb that I'm not getting right under that steam. But I'll get that off with my hand file in a minute, I think, that thumb. But yeah, I think that's got the last of it off now, hasn't it? Wow, yeah, I'm well impressed with this little gadget. Especially for beginners that don't like e-files like me. I can't stand e-files. I'm scared of them. And do you know something? It looks gunky. It's actually not. Oh, that bit was, actually. I think the tips are a bit gunky once they melt. But the gel polish came off really dry. Can you see that cloudy milky colour? That's the actual gel tip. That's a little bit gunky actually. But the gel polish came off really dry. I like it. I do. I like it. Yeah, I think I'll use a hand file on this last bit. I am going to use quite an old file, because I'm scared of getting gunky bits in my decent files. Right guys, that's them all filed off. So I'm just going to use some of this nail prep and wipe, and I'm just going to give them a little scrub-a-dub-dub with, it's just alcohol, that's all it is. Alcohol that they've made look fancy in a bottle. It's just alcohol. Give them a good clean. Oh, that's so easy guys, so easy. I'm well impressed. I should have got this out. Like I said, I've had this for months. I should have got this out months ago. Right, I'm going to use this cuticle oil. I absolutely love it. I'll leave the link to everything I've used today in my description box. The steamer, this nail prep stuff. I'll even leave a link to this tool set if you want. But this cuticle oil, it's I can't remember, it's off Amazon. I can't remember what's in it, but it's absolutely brilliant. I love it. So because you've had your hands steaming in acetone, give them a really good rub-a-dub-dub. Right guys, and that's them done. Off, quick time. Yeah, I'm so impressed with that. So impressed. Believe it or not, I hate the feel of oil on my hands. I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Some of it will still soak in. I can't stand oil on my hands. I'll go and wash them now, but yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'll definitely be using that every time I wear a product now that's soak off. I will definitely be using that because yeah, that was super simple, super easy. So I'm going to get this hand done now, see what I can put on them. I haven't decided yet. I do know it's going to be dip powder, glow in the dark, but that's as far as I've got. But anyway guys, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Check that your notifications are on as well so you don't miss any of my videos, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.